they gonna play on every station, every day. These the words you can't escape. Girl, I wrote this song for you. When you're driving in your car, pretending you don't know the word by heart. Girl, I'll be a superstar. Told you from the start I was gonna write a song for you. I'm taking the thing back to that. After that journey to your heart, always seeming like I had the map. In these trips I've had to do, I was simply passing through. Was a dedication, now it's chapter 2 on these pages. How I see that when I'm with you, I can't be that guy that you need now. So what's the story about? Don't seem like you can figure it out. No, a lot's changed since we met up in June. This love you can't buy, but you let it consume. And I try for you, but it just don't work. I won't lie to you, baby, what's this worth? All this fighting gets us nowhere. Losing you to the crowd. And there's no way that we gon' make this right. So baby, gon' turn your radio loud.